Alright, my friends, it's time to switch up my Lolita wardrobe, which means we're taking all of my summer dresses and replacing them with all of my winter ones that are in a box. First one we're grabbing is this Dear Celine OP, followed by this Bodyline JSK. I feel like everything is sweet. Sweet is just summery to me. That one was Magic Tea Party. And this next one is CC Cat, of course. I'm sorry, my love. After that, we have Bodyline. There's gonna be a lot of Bodyline JSKs in this because they're very sweet and summery. Like this one and this one from Bodyline. Yeah, there's a lot of Bodyline. This one's a mass-produced print, but still summery and light fabric. Followed by this whale one by Frisia Tail. It's also light and more summery. Okay, now I have to pull out my winter dresses, which are on the floor. Okay, I just pulled out all my winter clothes. Well, my winter Lolita stuff, my summer stuff is in a pile. Let's do this thing. Let's pull them out. And now we're unboxing everything. These are basically anything that is a little bit on the thicker side or is long sleeve. Honestly, I think all of these are long sleeve. As I'm watching this back, I'm pretty sure every single one of these has long sleeves in it, or is pretty thick fabric, and this blouse. Everything is out. Okay, first we're putting up Deer in Forest. I love this print so much. And then this one I stole from my cousin. I don't know who it's by. This is also from my cousin. I don't know who it's by. Angelic Pretty Time, my dream dress. After that, this mass print, and then Innocent World. And that is it. We have everything in my closet for winter. Hee hee.